Bitcoin's trading at 88K, or is it 91K? Depends where you look. In 2025, price gaps across exchanges are bigger than ever. And that means one thing: crypto arbitrage is back. This is crypto arbitrage, a fast, proven strategy that lets you lock in profits in just minutes. No leverage, no guesswork, just price differences you can exploit. So how do you find these price gaps in real time? Stay with me to the end to figure out. This is the ultimate guide to crypto arbitrage. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this plan gives you the edge to make $500 a day using the best tools available. Welcome to the Fortune Signal, your go-to channel for no hype, no FOMO cryptocurrency insights. This video is for educational purposes only. We'll cover arbitrage crypto basics, tools, risks, numbers, and a plan to master Bitcoin and XRP arbitrage as well as Layer 1 trades. Like this video if you're ready for $500 daily. And let's dive in. Crypto arbitrage means buying a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, XRP, or Cardano at a lower price on one exchange and selling it higher, exploiting market gaps. For example, buying 1,000 XRP at $2.06 on Binance and selling at $2.16 on Upbit, a 4.9% spread, yields $100, minus fees, but prices swing daily. Cross-exchange arbitrage is the core of this strategy. But there's also triangular arbitrage, where you swap Bitcoin to XRP, XRP to Cardano, and back again on the same platform to capture pricing gaps between pairs. Now let's look at some of the current opportunities. Bitcoin currently trades in the 88K to 91K range, with 1 to 5% spreads. An example might be 89,500 on Binance versus 91,500 on Upbit. Opportunities like this are perfect for arbitrage. XRP currently trades between $2 and $2.50, according to CoinGecko. But it sees 4 to 6% spreads, like $2.06 on Binance and $2.16 on Upbit. Cardano's 2025 forecasts range from 60 cents to $2, with 2 to 5% spreads, for example, 60 cents on Coinbase versus 65 cents on Kraken. Layer 2 blockchains like Arbitrum are slashing transaction fees on decentralized exchanges, making low-risk arbitrage more affordable and optimizing altcoin arbitrage and Layer 1 trades. You need a cross-exchange trading strategy and capital. Let's delve into it with a practical example. From a 50K portfolio, a Bitcoin arbitrage trade uses $42,500 to buy half a Bitcoin at 85K on Binance, where selling at $86,500 on Upbit yields a $750 gross profit. Fees of 0.1%, or $85 per trade, and a $50 withdrawal cut the net to $530, still over $500 in profits. Spreads vary, so check live data. Arbitrage Scanner, a top 2025 tool, scans thousands of spreads. Its AI suggests gaps, aiming for 5 to 20% monthly returns with discipline. The 2025 market is filled with crypto opportunities. The Bitcoin halving last year spiked volatility, widening XRP and Cardano gaps. New cryptocurrencies and exchanges sustain gaps, per Cointelegraph's crypto news. Asia's premiums, per CryptoQuant, drive spatial arbitrage. A $50,000 portfolio covers fees on Binance, enabling Bitcoin and XRP arbitrage. But fees and delays can erase profits, so timing is key. Would you risk $50,000 for a 5-minute $500 trade? Comment below. 3 mistakes to avoid. Don't skip KYC, as delays cost trades. Calculate total fees. Never trade without liquidity alerts, as low volume spikes slippage. Avoid these to save thousands. Arbitrage crypto risks derail financial freedom. Execution risk closes gaps fast, wiping out your crypto arbitrage profit. Exchange reliability matters, as TechPoint Africa's 2025 Bybit hack report flags risks, so use Binance or Kraken. Fees are also important, 0.1 to 15%, shrink margins. A 1% spread loses if fees hit 1.5%. KYC and global rules vary. Missing a $200 fee hurts, so a disciplined crypto arbitrage strategy is key. Use multi-factor authentication, per Coin Bureau's 2025 guide, and automate taxes with CoinLedger, as IRS scrutiny rose earlier this year. Counter risks with a cross-exchange trading strategy. Arbitrage Scanner's instant trades give you an edge. Diversify across Binance, Upbit, Coinbase. Trade Bitcoin, XRP, or Cardano, keeping $10,000 per exchange. Monitor crypto news for regulations like FCA oversight in England and Wales, where crypto is property. Stay informed. Regulations shape 2025 cryptocurrency trading. KYC and FCA rules can add complexity. Coin Bureau's crypto news keeps traders compliant. Top 2025 tools are vital. Arbitrage Scanner's AI excels for Bitcoin and altcoin arbitrage. Crypto.com's arbitrage bot is beginner-friendly. CoinMarketCap tracks prices. CoinLedger handles taxes. Test $1,000 trades and reinvest. A 50K portfolio can hit 75K in 3 months with 5% monthly gains, driving financial freedom. Remember, verify security on Coin Bureau. Use a fast laptop and Ledger wallet for trades. Mental discipline drives the 24/7 cryptocurrency market. Stay focused and disciplined. Avoid rash moves at all costs. Mindfulness manages stress. Your Bitcoin and XRP arbitrage wins will motivate you to stay focused. Trade within the 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. time window. This is education, not financial advice. Research and consult a professional for financial freedom. Share this plan with friends to crush crypto in 2025. The Fortune Signal community. Here's your crypto arbitrage for beginners 2025 plan. Open Binance and Coinbase accounts, completing KYC fast. Fund each with equal amount for Bitcoin, XRP, and Cardano. Use Arbitrage Scanner's free plan for 1% spreads. Test a $1,000 trade. Scale to $50,000 for $500 daily via 5 to 10 trades. Follow crypto news, vet tools on Coin Bureau. Unlock your crypto edge. What is your crypto arbitrage strategy in 2025? It's your shot at $500 daily, $15,000 monthly to transform your life. This is your moment to outsmart the crypto game. The market's wide open. Will you take the leap toward financial freedom? We're here with you every step of the way. Don't forget to follow for sharp insights, fresh news, and smarter moves. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.